Hello and welcome to the Cards Online introduction videos. This video explains how to add a list of cardholders using an Excel file and batch upload their photos. Go to Data Management, click on Import Data and select the Excel file with the cardholders data you'd like to add. If your Excel file has the column names as the first row, check the box "The first row contains column names." Be aware that the index field needs to be linked to a field with unique ID numbers. Link the fields of your Excel file with the fields of CardsOnline so the correct data is placed in the correct fields. When all fields are linked, click on the Overwrite Records button. The cardholder data from the Excel file has now been imported into the Data Manager. To also link the photos to this data, first find the data field that corresponds to the names of the photos. Now go to Import Photos, select the corresponding source. In our case, this is the index that is linked to the ID numbers. Click Upload and select the needed photos to import them. All photos have the ID number of the correct cardholder as their name. In this example, this is Index. The photos are added in one go and automatically linked to the correct cardholder.